Direct replacement. This blower motor resistor and harness kit directly replaces the original equipment on select vehicle years, makes and models. Material: resistor. Complete kit. Each kit comes with a resistor and harness pigtail, which is essential for most repairs. Restores functionality, made to perform like original equipment to restore full HVAC operation. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of engineers and quality specialists in the USA. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Good. This product worked well in my 2008 GMC Yukon Denali. Although I didn't need to use them, it also comes with wires and wire connectors so that you can replace damaged wires. It is good to have in case I need them in the future. Another brand I tried didn't come with any of the wires or connectors and made my fan run at an uneven pace. This is one as well made.